Hello, hello. So here's what I created with Hobby Haven. Are you ready for this? All right, we're going to kind of go back and forth between these two different piles. So if you get one of my kits, I have two left, you guys. So if you want it, you better let me know soon. You've got your bling. You will want an alphabet stamp set and then all your standard tools. But the only stamp set you'll need is an alphabet stamp set. And maybe you want to wait until you're actually putting photos on to decide that. You have one, two, three, four sheets of paper that have all of your embellishments on it. In addition to these four sheets, if you go all the way to the very back of your kit, there is a piece of cardboard and a bunch of cutouts and then some white paper. So if you just pull that white paper up, there's the rest. In addition to all of these, here's the rest of the things that you're going to need to um, have as you're assembling. Excuse me. So just keep that in mind. If you can't find it on this sheet or any of these sheets, it's probably one of your punch outs. Okay. So I'm not going to totally go through and assemble this with you, but you've got all your papers there for this first layout. You're going to do your 6 panels of 3.5 by 10.5 depth. They're going to touch the middle edge and work out. Then you've created a shelf to add all your little plants and books along the top. Add your photo wells, and then whatever bling you want to add. If you've got the pictures, or if you're having trouble finding the pictures, let me know. I can find them for you. Um, Zoom right in so you can see all the goodies that are in there. But lots of it's cut out. So if you don't love all of it, if it feels too busy, maybe you don't put these books in or leave some of the plants off of certain layouts. Totally up to you. I went crazy and used all of it. So, and I just did work of art with a die or a stamp set, an alphabet set. Okay, so that's these pages. On these next ones, again, here's all the papers that I've cut out for you. Oh, on this last one, I used ink over top of it, the garden green, is that right? Over top of the garden green paper, and then on the little circles too here. This is, oh goodness, Calypso Coral over top of Calypso Coral, just to make those embellishments kind of pop. Okay, so with this one, this is one piece, but all of these are individual and I cut them out and lined them up on there. So again, as much or as little as you want to do, I cut out all these little towels and sponges and candles. So yeah, as much or as little as you want to do. And then my stamping up here was pamper yourself. But that is that layout. Then we've got Made with Love. And on this one, it's all, again, there's all your pieces. We've got, you're going to put your 3x4 pieces, and these two are the same, and these two are the same, and I just kind of offset them a little bit. So we've got our clusters of goodness that you're going to add in there. I used kind of a brownish, I must have used the crumb cake ink over top of my circles to give it that fun depth with the stone and vine embossing folder. Let me know as you're assembling if you have any questions, but I think it's all pretty self-explanatory. There's not a lot of like extra work and stuff to be done with these layouts. All right. Now on this one, again, there's all your pretty papers. You'll want to I did mine offset so I didn't have to line anything up. Create your clusters. And I sanded the circles so that the white was exposed. And I did that on the flatter side so that the leaves kind of divot down into the paper. Little glasses there that's cut out separate and just taped right on top of that chair. I love all the little plants and sprigs and stuff. I thought that was super fun. And then story time is what I titled this one, but whatever it is for you. And like grandbabies, reading on the couch with your grandbabies. How cute would that be? Yes, Cindy Mitchell, I'm talking to you. All right. With this one, this has panels. So we're dealing with 1.5 by 6 inch strips of paper, alternating with 3 by 6 pieces of cardstock. So 1.5, 1.5, 3, 1.5, 1.5, 3, 1.5, 1.5, 3, repeating all the way around the page. Add your photo wells, and then this one's got lots of fun little sewing things all in there. And I titled this one So Much Fun. I know, I know. Okay, so I super loved the Hobby Haven, but I will warn you, there is a lot of cutting. It's fussy cutting, so you might want to just sit in front of the TV and fussy cut, or put on your favorite music and fussy cut while you are working on this one. The Once you get everything cut out, it's really easy to assemble. I'll give you that. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want your name on one of these kits, and I look forward to creating with you soon.